After watching this video, anyone will start earning 100% guarantee. So,
in this video, I'll show you an easy YouTube trick to make money online by watching videos. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid by just watching videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Now let's get started. First off, the app that we'll be using for today is Easyday Videos, where you can watch YouTube videos in return for real cash. I'll just leave links in the description below, so you can find them easier. Now, let me just break down how Easyday Videos actually works. Once you've signed up to this app, you will then be greeted straight away to the suggested tab. Now this tab is where you can actually start to watch videos to earn coins. These coins can then be converted into real cash, so 10,000 of these coins is equivalent to 1 cent. So keep this in mind, that I'll be speaking about the whole money side and how much you can earn on Easyday Videos in a couple of minutes. Before I do that though, I want to run through each of the tabs on this app. So the first tab is the suggested tab. This is where you're going to find all the different videos that you can watch to earn coins, as I mentioned earlier. Plus, you can even search for videos and topics that you actually want to watch. This is the really cool thing about this app, is that you're not just stuck watching random videos. You can actually search for videos that interest you, and then you can get rewarded watching them. Now the second tab is the playlist tab. So for anyone out there that likes creating playlists to store all their videos, you can do that here. I can see a lot of potential with this, because let's just say you have a favorite YouTube creator and you want to store all of their videos into one playlist to then watch them one night to earn a whole bulk load of coins. You can actually do that, which I really do appreciate. It's these little things about this money-making app that I really do notice, and I actually think it's going to help your earning process a lot. And creating the playlists is super simple. All you need to do is just literally click on Create Playlist, type in the name of the playlist, go back to the suggested tab, and then you can add whatever videos you want. Now the next tab is the actual cash out tab. Now this is where I think a lot of you are going to be very interested with, because Easyday Videos gives you a lot of payment methods to cash out your earnings, 8 to be exact. So you have Coinbase, AirTM, Payeer, Perfect Money, ADV Cash, Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and Litecoin. Later, I'm going to cash out my earnings through Coinbase. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know what payment method you prefer. And I'll try to make videos about that. Now I'm going to start talking about my actual earning experience on Easyday Videos. So the first thing is, obviously it's a great app to just watch videos that you're going to watch on YouTube anyway and actually earn money. Now how much money you earn completely depends on your country. What you'll start to notice with Easyday Videos is that ads will play pretty much all the time. Advertisements will play as soon as you click on a video and as soon as you pretty much browse through the app. Any sort of action essentially will play an advertisement. That's at least what I experienced. Obviously, the developer needs to play ads to pay the users. In continuation, on the top right corner of the screen there is a little gift icon that you can click to watch an advertisement and get direct coins. So this appears like every 45 seconds. You can really start to earn some decent coins just by watching advertisements directly. Now, this is how many coins I was able to generate every 1 to 2 minutes or so. I did notice I was generating roughly 1,100 to 4,000 coins in that time period for just scrolling through the app, trying to find videos to watch. On the other hand, I was generating 3,000 to 4,000 coins in that time period for actually watching videos. And about an hour, you can rack up enough of these coins to cash out, because the minimum payment threshold on this app is around 19 cents. So you could really cash out extremely fast on Easyday Videos. So I do recommend for anyone out there that is going to use this app is to put on some long YouTube videos, sit back and watch it like you'd be watching a Netflix show or watching TV, or you can just leave it playing in the background and just let those coins accumulate over and over again. This could be actually a very solid application to earn on. I haven't really seen any applications like this before. You might not earn hundreds or thousands of dollars an hour, but it will at least give you legitimate money in my opinion. I mean, I feel like this is probably one of the easiest ways to earn money by just watching videos. So my advice for you is to jump onto this as soon as you can. The best part is if you join today, you'll receive a 2-cent sign-up bonus. Moving on, the next tab is the offers section. Now this is where you can earn up to $1 or $2 by completing surveys or offers, but depending on where you live, the rates might change. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos as well. Now I have to say there's a huge selection of offers on this tab. So if you don't want to watch videos, or you want to take a break from watching videos, then you can earn coins through various offers that they have. I didn't touch any of the offers this time around, that's including surveys as well, because I just wanted to purely watch videos. Now let's talk about the cash out experience on Givey videos. It took me roughly 1 hour to earn $0.2 on this app just by purely watching videos. Now, I have to say I'm not arguing with anything, or I'm not disappointed, because I didn't do anything, all I did was watch videos. What really matters, though, is if this application is actually going to pay me or not. The actual cash out process was the most straightforward thing I've ever seen in my life. I just entered my Coinbase account, and then I was instantly paid out with Bitcoin. I am absolutely amazed with Givey's payment system. When it comes to PayPal though, I do know it takes roughly 2 to 3 days to cash out your earnings. Cryptocurrency though is a whole another different situation. But I am happy to say, at the time of this recording, Givey videos is 100% legit. Now if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover legit apps and websites that pay instantly, which are some of the best ways to make money online.